Hey y'all, so I just wanted to do a little updated pedicure situation just to show you guys the transition. So my first setup, I didn't really know a lot about pedis yet, but now I do. So here is my new little chair. At first I had this little rolly cart thing, but now I have this cute upscale tech chair, which I love. I got it off of Shop Salon City. Really good website. And then this is my new storage. This little drawer here, is she a little dirty, but I like that everything is covered up and put away. So these are pretty much just all of my solutions. I have some cream, some acetone, some monomer primer, because I was doing acrylic toes. I haven't done any in a while, but I was doing acrylic toes, so that's why I have that there. And then I have the cuticle oil, some Swipe from Young Nails, cuticle softener, callus remover, my miracle solution here, and then some acetone. And here's where I keep all my implements. I just use most of them, so I could do a separate video for the stuff I use for a pedicure, base and top coat, and then a little dap and dish for some acetone. So I usually would set up my implements and files here with my cotton balls and everything. And then in here, I just keep this mask in case I have to do any dry filing. There's my acrylic brush, my protective eyewear. And then these things here I actually use to clean up any polish. And I use these because they are disposable. I'm not really feeling using the brush on every client because everybody has their own little issue. So of course I have some 180, 100 files, some 200 files, my buffers, toe separators, everything's labeled, I have some base coat here, and then my top coat I just use, at my nail table and here for any gel polish application. And then these are actually disposable brushes that I use for polishing, just so that there is no cross-contamination. And then also for my clients that use nail mycosis, I do give them a couple of these to take home, just because some of them kind of struggle putting it on because of disabilities. And then down here, I keep everything else. So here's a cream, like a foot mask. Here is the moisturizer. I don't really use this one that much just because the smell is very potent, and I like to use this water-based low odor cream. Then I have the scrub, and then the foot soak, and of course these little spatulas for the scrub. Here I just have some sanitizer if I'm just doing antibacterial spray in case I'm doing a toe polish. And then here I have cotton balls and lint-free wipes. Now I usually use a serrated file, but sometimes I will use like a sanding file. So I have just the replaceable pads here. And then my chair, if you haven't already, go check out my previous pedicure setup. But this one is just, the little footsie bath. I do need to really give her a good cleaning because I don't use the inside of this. It just gets dirty from splashing water. But I usually wipe it out with like I just said, I just did a pedicure. So I just need to clean this out before I start my next one. But the footsie bath is getting real run down. You see that there? So I think I'm gonna replace it with like a bowl, like a porcelain bowl or something. But yes, I'm still using the footsie bath. And yeah, if you want more details on this chair again, I definitely can do it. But look at my new wallpaper. So cute and pretty. Anyway, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you later.